you doing? My name's Vince. It's Backyard Mangoes, and I'm here with Angie. Give Angie a hug. Angie's getting ready to get a haircut today. You're like, well, why would you be cutting on this tree? It's barely 4.5, 5 feet tall. Well, because I want Angie to branch out a little bit more. So what you see is you have the main trunk of Angie. I got 5 branches coming out, and I have 1 lateral coming up, and it looks good. It is really a pretty good shape for Angie. However, I want Angie to branch a little bit more, and so what I'm going to do to get Angie to branch a little bit more, I'm going to take the end of this and I'm going to cut about ½ centimeter off the top. That's it. Boom, that's it. And by cutting that ½ inch or so off of the top, what's going to happen is Angie's then going to want to branch out with new branches at the leaves or the nodules. So all around the tree. So what happens is, instead of having these, 5 around the outside, 1 center. So instead of having 6 total branches that continue growing, I'm going to encourage more branching here. By encouraging more branching, I get more mangoes. So come in here, right there at the tip, off you go, tip, off you go. I'm gonna cut that right there. And so, like, literally, I mean, I don't know how well this just the tiniest little tip off the top of this. And tip, off you go. Oops, didn't quite get that one. And off you go. So now, Angie doesn't look like she had much of a haircut. She had a trim, I guess you would say. But by cutting the tips off, what am I doing? I'm encouraging that branching. So instead of having these 6 total branches, and I come back in a few weeks, hopefully I might have, if each branch puts out 2 or 3 more branches, wow, so 6 times 3, I could have 18 more branches. That means that many exponentially more mangoes. Like, subscribe. My name is Backyard Mangoes. Thank you.